Hey guys, survived on Roblox here, and in the video today we will learn how to make the round kick, and also this kick will move NPC a little bit to the side. Also I added function cooldown, so it will long for 5 seconds cooldown, and every kick will take around 80% of the health of the NPC. Also, full life recovery after killing NPC will add our code. So looks like we can start. Alright, opening Roblox Studio. Then for beginning, let's open the animation editor. So punch is the same as in previous videos. I just added round kick animation. And guys, you can create your own animation, or you even can use my animation ID, which is mentioned in the code, and you can just use what I made and it will work. So this is how round kick is working. So this is the hit event, then turning and coming back. Also take a look that on 0.8 second I added hit event. So just to make it, you need to press right click and add animation event here. I will open it. So event name hit, parameter kick. It's very important to keep in mind the name which you will use, because it will be used in the code. And I will open the code to show you. So here you see this is regarding the hit, yeah. So event name and parameter hit and kick. Otherwise, if you put other names, your code will not work. So I closed. And now I will explain you in details a little bit how to make more clear your animation and to not lose it. Like in my previous videos, I make something, then I see that leg is looking in another direction, arm also, body also opposite direction. So to avoid these mistakes, just do step by step. So first I'm adding full body. Okay, so this is first marking. Then right click, right click here and add resetted keyframe, and this is our beginning position. Then, for example, I want to put up my knee. So first I change the marker to the correct timing. Then my copy keyframes I paste here. Now select, otherwise you will change some other position. So once it's selected, you can start changing. So I don't know why, but time to time I cannot select what I need. I'm trying to select knee, but it's giving me foot. That's why it takes some time. Okay, now I put up whole leg. and I will put lower leg down. Alright, now this is correct position. Then again select, copy selected, then change the timing, shifting to 0.3 for example. Then right click on the white cell, paste keyframe. Then again don't forget to select correct timing, and we'll make our leg straight. Okay, so now it looks like the kick. So just do everything in one by one, yeah. So otherwise it will make a lot of headache for you, always losing correct position, and for example animation finished and you start looking and then giving some mistakes. It's really killing my brain. Okay, and I will put the final position. Yeah, this is my final position. This is what we have. Alright, so the closing animation editor, and let's take a look what we have. I just forget to show you the code, yeah. So you open the link below the video. So I correct the local script. So our kick takes around 80% of the health of the enemy going to the side, and when enemy died, my health fully recovered. So let's copy the code, put the script, local script. Also we have in the replicated storage kick event. Before was only punch event, and I added kick event. And in the script service, amended script also you can take from here. So when it's copy, you paste everything there. You can use my ID or create your own ID, or you can share your IDs to the comments. I will try it out on my program, and if it will be nice I can also show to other guys. So it's very interesting to see what you made. So let's take a look what we have here. Alright, for example, first kick to the NPC. Whoa, so nice. And after 5 seconds kick is ready. Zombie kicked out, and few punches, KO. So health fully recovered. One more kick, waiting for the cooldown, and punches. No. Very nice. And the final zombie, round kick, he stand up and punches. So guys, now I'm really kickboxer. We can punch, we can kick. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe. See you in the next videos, and don't forget about your likes, because it's very important for me to stay motivated and continue make nice videos. Bye bye.